Hi everyone and welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to talk about things that annoy us. Let's begin with the model dialogue, and afterwards, we will explain everything in detail. I hate it when I have to wait so long. Buses rarely run on time. And what's the point of having a timetable? Calm down, I'm on your side. Okay, first to talk about things that annoy us, things we hate, we can say something like this. I hate it when I have to wait so long. I hate it when I have to wait so long. First, we say I hate it. And to describe what we hate, we use when plus a clause to describe what we hate. In this sentence, the clause is I have to wait so long. So I hate waiting for so long for something. We don't know exactly what the speaker has to wait so long, but waiting for too long is what the speaker hates. It annoys him. Here are a few more example sentences. I hate it when two buses come together. I hate it when people put bags on seats. I hate it when people stand in front of the exit. So in each sentence, we describe what we hate by using when plus a clause. Let's now do a speaking practice of these sentences. I hate it when I have to wait so long. I hate it when two buses come together. I hate it when people put bags on seats. I hate it when people stand in front of the exit. That was great, well done. In the next sentence, we find out what person A had been waiting for too long. Buses rarely run on time. Buses rarely run on time. First, the verb run can be used in many different ways, and one of them is to talk about different kinds of transport, such as buses and trains, to travel at regular times on their routes. So if you want to say that there are no buses on Sundays, you can say buses don't run on Sundays. Then we have this expression on time, which means to not be late, as in something happens at the agreed time. And we use rarely to talk about something not happening regularly. So this sentence means that buses running on time is not common, meaning that buses are often late. Let's take a look at a few other example sentences. Buses never run on time. Buses rarely have an empty seat. Buses are always crowded. Never is a frequency adverb, which means that something doesn't happen 100% of the time. And always is the opposite of never, so we use it to talk about something happening all the time. And lastly, crowded is an adjective and it describes a place as being full of people. Okay, so let's now do a speaking practice of these sentences. Buses rarely run on time. Buses never run on time. Buses rarely have an empty seat. Buses are always crowded. That was great, well done. Next, to express his feeling of frustration, person A said this. What's the point of having a timetable? What's the point of having a timetable? The main use of this question is to express how the speaker doesn't understand something. And to say this, we first say what's the point of, and then state what we don't understand. In this question, the thing the speaker doesn't understand is having a timetable. And this is because the buses are rarely on time. They are often late. So having a timetable doesn't make a lot of sense. After of, we can use a gerund, a verb ing structure, as in this sentence, but we can also just have a noun phrase. Let's take a look at a few more example sentences. What's the point of having seats? What's the point of a bus pass? What's the point of stop buttons? In the UK, to get off the bus, you have to press the stop button to let the driver know that you are getting off the bus. Okay, so let's now do a speaking practice of these sentences. What's the point of having a timetable? What's the point of having seats? What's the point of a bus pass? What's the point of stop buttons? Great job, well done. Lastly, when person A got really annoyed, person B said this. Calm down, I'm on your side. Calm down, I'm on your side. First, the speaker tells the other person to calm down, and we can use calm down to tell the other person to not be excited or to not be so annoyed. Then the speaker said, I'm on your side. The word side means to be on the same team or to be on the same side of the argument. So person B wants to let person A know that he also doesn't like late buses. He agrees with him. And that person A shouldn't be getting angry with him. Okay, so let's now do a speaking practice of these sentences. Calm down, I'm on your side. Calm down, I'm on your side. Excellent job today, well done. Let's listen to the whole dialogue again. I hate it when I have to wait so long. Buses rarely run on time. And what's the point of having a timetable? Calm down, I'm on your side. Okay, so let's now do a speaking practice of this dialogue. As always, we will do 2 speaking practices and all the lines will be on the screen. So when it's your turn, please read the line and participate in the dialogue. Let's begin. I hate it when I have to wait so long. And what's the point of having a timetable? Buses rarely run on time. Calm down, I'm on your side. Fantastic effort today, well done. Okay, so in this lesson, we learned useful expressions we can use to talk about how something annoys us, how we hate something. The next lesson is the speaking drill lesson, and I will see you soon again in the lesson after that. Bye-bye.